Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in not today's newspaper, but in the newspaper of yesterday. Yes, yesterday, Wednesday, because today on Thursday, September the 23rd, we have only one regular Sudoku and it's medium Sudoku. There are no extra Sudokus, no additional. So I have decided to continue with the rest of the Sudokus in additional of Wednesday, September the 22nd. And there are two puzzles left. I've done the letter Sudoku, the two-star Sudoku, and the tectonic with one star are left. But now it's time for the 2 stars. And this one will be number 3437. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 3, 3, 6, 10, 11, plus 2, 13, plus 2, 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 22, plus 4, 26 printed digits. Correct for 2 stars. Sudoku has 26 printed digits, and for 2 stars I need 15 minutes to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 8. We have a 4 and an 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 8, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers a 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright. Can we do this again? Let me see. No. We have a 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third column. For the numbers 1 is missing. No, 1 we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 6 and 8 in the first column, so no 6 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Let me see. How about the 2 in the last column, the 2 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Mm-hmm. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for 3 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 159. 159, 159. I cannot fill this yet. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. Yes, 4 should be here. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4, 9, 5. 4, 9, 5. And look, we have 4 and a 9 in this column. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. Okay. 6, 2. Then 2, 2. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2, 2, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Then. 5. Okay. How about here we have the 9. 1. Okay. Let me think. 3. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Yeah. Let me think. 5, 5. Oh. Come on. It's taking too long. 9. 9. About the 8. We have a pair. We have a pair. 2 and an 8 in the first row. 2 and an 8 in the second row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 2 and 8 should be in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the third row, for the numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 and a 5 in this column. So no 7 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 7 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And we have a pair. 7 and a 9 in this row. 7 and a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 7 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next to that column. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5. We see there 5. So no 5s in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. How about? The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle rows, and the row below. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Okay. 7. I need a 7 here, yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing numbers is a 7. I need a 7 in this column. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then. 4, 4. Okay. 1, 6. 1, 3, 1, 8, 1, 8, 9, 4. About the 9, 9, 9. 6, 6. About the 5, the 4, the 3. No 1. Let me think. 1 and a 6. 1 1694, 1694, 1694, 99. Okay. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, so the 9 could be here, could be there. I need one pair. How about the 8? Aha! 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. Oh, right. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there, and the last 2 numbers of this big square for numbers are 1 is missing, 2, and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Yes, definitely. 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve. So it's correct, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle, a tectonic with the 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.